Morning guys. I'll show you what I bought for the bike. See that? It's a little phone holder and it's got its own little hat. Sun visor they call it, I think. It's even got sunglasses. Anyway, I'm going to try and fit it to the bike this morning, but I still haven't got proper tools, so that's the only tool I've got. So I'm going to try and use that. No, I'm going to have to do this another time with some proper tools. Okay guys, so the rookie mistake I made yesterday. I thought I only had this very tiny spanner that came with the mirror, but I forgot with ADV you get a very extensive toolkit. You get a spanner and a metal thing. Yay! Success, I think. Put a washer on there, I think, as well. Oh, that's good. The washers that they supply with the mirror don't fit. Oh well, let's put it on without washers for now. What is going on with this? As you can tell, I'm extremely mechanically minded. I think I might have cracked it. Right, let's see. Oh my god, it looks like it's going to be 10 miles up in the sky. Maybe not. Right, might help if I put my glasses on. Oh, well done. Right, let's take this back off again. I think I need to leave that on. I know a lot of you are probably watching me doing this, laughing and thinking, what is he doing? The answer is, I haven't got a bloody clue. This is where I end up getting things cross-threaded, probably. God, how can it be so difficult just to fit a phone holder? You're allowed to swear on YouTube. I don't know if you've ever heard of the expression righty tighty lefty loosey. I don't know whether that's the right way here or not. Yay! Oh no. You off to work?
Yeah.
Have a good day. Oh my god. Let's try doing it like this again. Oh god, get in. Don't do this to me. Can you guys maybe come back and join me a little bit later? Say in about 6 hours. So obviously that's got to be left in. God's sake. You can see me ends up going somewhere and just saying, yeah, put that on there for me, please. I'll give you some pesos. I've tightened out too much now. There's got to be an easier way of doing this, surely to God. I know people are going to be watching this now saying, yeah, you do. Should we be doing it like this? Well, I just don't know. Yes, I have success. I think I have success. How to fit a phone holder the hard way. If you want my YouTube channel for mechanical repairs, I'll put it in the link below. I know you're all dying to follow me for that one now, but I think I'll put that back on there. It doesn't cover that, but shit. And I can operate my camera from my phone. I can do this, and I can do this, and I can do this, and I can do this, all from here, without having to leave the seat of my bike. Winner, winner. Sorted. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you've enjoyed me making a fool of myself, hit the like button, subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye bye.